just want to show you these chrome markers I have got from Direction. There are three colors: silver, chromium, this one is a bronze liquid, and this one is the gold. So I'm just going to show you. I made these coasters, the personalized. So I want to color it with so when you first time using, you have to push through so the liquid can come down, because I already used it, so it's already done. And as you can see, hopefully you'll be able to see it. It's quickly, it's covering, it's yeah, you can see it. I'm just making sure if you can see or not. I love this chromium color. It's most beautiful marker color it is. It's like a mirror, you know, the mercury. Yeah, that's the right word for it. Mercury color. And the mercury moves in a thermostat bar. It's exactly the same color as the mercury. So you can let it dry. It gets covered in just one go. Maybe what to say, I'll show you once it's dry. And I may do, I got this hard, I'm going to put the gold on it on the sides. Let's see. So first time, as I say, you have to push it like this and the liquid will get down, and then you can start using it. Let me just go this way. I used to use the leafing pen for and the liquid, the guiding liquid, the gold one, but this is really easy and it's cheaper than the leafing pen I used to use. Yeah, just make sure you're holding from the middle like this, because you don't want to touch it while it's wet. So when you feel like it's not coming out, just push it again and then it will smoothly come out. So as you can see, I just like a little edge on top, so that's why I'm just going like this. I have a little bit cover on the top. you go. You see how beautiful it looks. So yeah, that's it. And let me just check this one. I don't want to touch it like that, so I'm just going to put it out. And as you can see, that's done properly as well. So I'll show you outside as well. And it's raining right now, but I'll show you later on how it looks. So thank you guys for watching, and I will come back again with my next video. Bye for now.